Alright guys, I had this remnant, I think it's absolute black in my slab yard, and remnants are piling up, so I was just trying to put some pieces in the showroom. I did just have wood there. I've just wiped that down with some alcohol, some denatured alcohol, and it cleaned a lot of it, but you can see that it's still got some dust pushed around in it. So you know, we talk a lot about sealing with soap and water, and that works just fine. What I'm going to use today is this triple threat. I really don't want to use this, but we will. We'll try this triple set cleaner, sealer, and polisher and see how it does. I've used it on some miscellaneous stuff before, and it done pretty good. I have my nano sealer out here I was going to use, but for this video, I guess we'll use this one. Let's see how it does. Alright, so I just shook this up. I'll spray it. Get a good amount of it on there. Alright, I think we got it covered pretty good with that. So anytime I'm cleaning and sealing, I like to use these Scott rags in a box as opposed to just the regular paper towels. I prefer the regular paper towels when I'm running a bead of painter's caulk, silicone, or something like that, because they're thin and I can rip off small little pieces, whereas these are big and thick. They kind of absorb the stuff, and you know, you get a lot of it to stay on the rag. It doesn't soak through and get on your hands as bad, so there's a number of reasons. So now all I'm going to do is just wipe this stuff in and off. I don't know, I'll try to set this up over here where y'all can see it better. Alright, that works. Sorry guys, it's hard when you try to do everything yourself. I need to get my GoPro charged up and all that. I'm gonna let it dry here, see how it looks. I mean, it looks okay. I try to be 100% honest in my videos. I think it's fine for this piece for the showroom. I don't think that I would use this as 100% the clean and seal for my customers on the initial install. I think it would be fine as like an aftermarket, like years down the road when you wanted to re-clean and seal your countertops. It could work okay, but I don't think I would have to do some more tests on it, such before I'd be confident to tell you, yeah, 100%. This is what you should be using to clean and seal your countertops. Now that I'm wiping all this aftermath off, it's looking pretty good. Got a lot of handprints coming up from somewhere. Seeing like little ghost handprints coming up on here. I guess it's where somebody's touched it before, and maybe this stuff just bringing it up where you see it. Be cool if it was some ghosts in here. Can I see these little handprints appearing, guys? That's freaking weird. There's any more here. This is weird. Guessing it's where we touched it before and we just couldn't see it or something. Look, there's more over here now. I just wiped all that, huh? Stand back and look. I see new fingerprints. Handprints come up and go. Get excited. Things looking pretty good. Looks pretty good now. It's definitely like a mirror now. Alright, no new fingerprints, no new handprints. I see. I guess we're good. I have to say, it got it nice and shiny. Nice and reflective now. Did a pretty good job. After that second time buffing it off, I don't know. I mean, it looks really, really good now. Like I said, I would just have to test how well it seals. Seems like it's a great product for cleaning. I definitely have to test how well it seals. See if, throw some stuff on there, see if it protects it from staining, which I wouldn't use a black stone to do that, but see if the water beads up. Of course, black's more compact. I probably wouldn't use it for that either, but all in all, I think it did a great job cleaning. I'm not sure on the sealing strength, so that was the triple threat. I cleaned it with denatured alcohol first, still left some dust residue on there, then I used this, wiped it on and in real good, and then took a second dry cloth and wiped all the haze off, and this is what you get. I mean, it's very reflective. You can see me very well in it.
So.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.